Imagine a world without the invisible force that shapes our planet and powers our technology, magnetism. Welcome to this crash course where we unravel the mysteries of magnetism, a fundamental force of nature. Magnetism begins with tiny particles called electrons. As they move, they create magnetic fields. These fields are what make magnets attract or repel. At the heart of every magnet lies the concept of magnetic poles, north and south. Now, let's see magnetism in action in nature. Have you ever marveled at the auroras lighting up the polar skies? These stunning displays occur because charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's magnetic field. But magnetism isn't just a natural phenomenon. It powers some of the most remarkable technologies in the modern world. Take MRI machines, for instance. They use powerful magnets to create detailed images of our bodies. Magnetism also links directly to electricity. When an electric current flows through a wire, it generates a magnetic field. This discovery led to technologies like generators and transformers, which are crucial for distributing electricity. From the auroras dancing in the night sky to the electric motors powering our devices, magnetism is all around us. It's a force of nature and a cornerstone of technology.